Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 12:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on May 25th. Looking at the S&P 500 ETF after a pretty good sized gap down to 105, even tested 104.50, chopped around for a little bit pre-market, and now we're filling the gap. We have a little bit farther to go to 107. We're at 106 right now, chopping around that. Notable round number of resistance. Even tested 106.50 briefly. So if we do use this line of support after being broken, you can see kind of a really nice symmetrical triangle slash ascending triangle through here. And 105.80 could act as support now, if not 106 even. So I'm going to drop a line in here, and I'll be watching that in the future going forward. If we do get a good gap fill, a perfect one, all the way back up to the 107 mark, that would be the most bullish of scenarios for the day. When we look at the trend, it doesn't quite seem like it's going to make it there, at least with where it's trading right now at the 1.0 range, right in the middle of the neutral range. Not bullish or bearish, and the trend Q a little bit more bearish than bullish, and 1.44 is nothing to sneeze at on the bearish side of things, but it has come back from outer space after being very bearish most of the morning here. So big divergence between the trend Q and price. This is not necessarily a good time to go long when you see these guys at this level. A little bit oversold at this point, so it did pull back, and those market internals can be unbelievably helpful in determining how and when I want to take action in the markets. The volatility index, a little bit nicer of a picture, but it did gap up this morning, concomitant with the gap down in the broad markets. Had a sell-off, and we're trying to fill this gap as well. So at least that's confirming the broad market action, if not maybe even a little bit better to the bullish side. So fairly neutral trading range today, actually, when I'm looking at the broad market. You can see this. Again, it's just kind of a larger context. This 15-minute chart, this is a bit of a blip here. So I'm not going to be too aggressively going long into the face of this or short in the face of the support at 105. I'll be definitely watching, looking for opportunities midday and on a higher time frame. Again, still just really looking for that next swing low we get so I can at least mark it. I thought we were going to have one here. This is a bit relevant now, but it's one higher, lower to the left, one higher, lower to the right. A little swing there, but not too much. Now we've got this big gap to contend with, and we're trying to take it apart, but that's a pretty good sized move that we're going to need before we can fill that. So good stuff, and now we've tested support. I hope the rest of your trading day goes well, and I'll be talking to you in a little while to see how things are shaping up.